During the Revolutionary War, South Carolina merchant Robert Farquhar sold supplies to Georgia on credit. After the war, Georgia refused to pay, claiming Farquhar was a British loyalist.
Farquhar died. Alexander Chisholm, who was handling Farquhar's estate, the property and debts left behind when Farquhar died, sued Georgia in federal court.
Chisholm's lawsuit was based on Article 3, Section 2, which gave the Supreme Court original jurisdiction over controversies between a state and citizens of another state. Since Chisholm was a South Carolina citizen suing the state of Georgia, this Article 3 provision appeared to grant the federal courts authority to hear evidence and decide if Georgia owed the money. Georgia refused to appear in court, claiming sovereign immunity. In 1793, the Supreme Court ruled 4-1 in Chisholm's favor. Chief Justice John Jay determined that Article 3, Section 2 eliminated state sovereign immunity, ruling that states were not truly sovereign, but parts of a larger nation. The Chisholm decision triggered immediate national opposition. Georgia's legislature passed a bill declaring that any federal official attempting to enforce the decision could be put to death. States nationwide faced similar lawsuits, creating financial liability and embarrassment. The decision revived anti-federalist fears that federal power would extinguish state authority. If federal courts could force states to pay private citizens, state governments would become subordinate to federal control, destroying the system's design with power divided between a national government and state governments. On September 27, 1793, Massachusetts instructed its senators and asked its representatives to propose a constitutional amendment removing federal court jurisdiction over private suits against states.